In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to expand and collapse sections in Google Chat and Gmail. Let's get started by opening Google Chat, or Gmail with chat enabled. Either option works the same way for what we're about to do. Once your app or browser tab is open, look to the left side of the screen. That left sidebar is the control center for your conversations and spaces, and it's where you'll organize what you see. In that sidebar, you'll notice sections grouped by type. Common ones include chats for your direct messages and spaces for group collaboration. Depending on your setup, you might also see sections like starred or bots. Each of these sections can be expanded to show everything inside, or collapsed to keep your view clean and focused. To control that view, find the small arrow next to a section name. This arrow is the key. When it points to the right, the section is collapsed. When it points down, the section is expanded. Click that arrow once to change the state. If the section is currently collapsed, clicking will expand it and reveal the conversations or spaces inside. If it's already expanded, clicking will collapse it, hiding the list while leaving the section header visible. Now, click the arrow again to reverse it. This quick toggle lets you open sections you need and tuck away the rest. It's especially helpful when you have a lot of active chats or spaces and want to focus on just a few at a time. Think of it like tidying your workspace. Expand what you're using, collapse what you're not. If you don't immediately see the left sidebar, your window might be too narrow or the sidebar might be temporarily hidden. Try widening your browser or hovering near the edge to reveal it. Also note that the exact labels you see can vary slightly depending on your account or organization, but the arrow behavior remains the same across sections. A couple of quick tips as you go. First, keep frequently used sections expanded during your workday for faster access, and collapse less used ones to reduce clutter. Second, remember that collapsing a section doesn't turn off notifications. It simply changes the view. You'll still see badges or alerts for new messages, even if the section is tucked away. That's all there is to it. Open Google Chat or Gmail with Chat, head to the left sidebar, find the section you want, click the arrow to expand or collapse, and click again anytime you want to switch it back. With this simple toggle, you can keep your workspace clean, organized, and easy to navigate.